This song uses 4 chords and only one sequence the whole song. I would like to thanks Akemi for suggesting this music. So let's go. We'll use E, 2, 4, 4, 4. Second chord will be F sharp. 1, 2, 1, 3. Third chord is E flat minor. 1, 2, 3, 3. And the last chord will be G sharp minor. 2, 4, 3, 1. So these chords might be somewhat difficult to play. Then I developed a form of this music with easy chords, and we'll play only using the bottom 3 strings, string 1, 2 and 3. We'll never play the 4th string. So we'll do E the same way, 2, 4, 4, but we'll mute the 4th string with the thumb. F sharp will be 1, 2, 1, mute the 4th. E flat minor, 1, 2, 3, mute the 4th. G sharp minor, 2, 4, 3, mute the 4th. So it's much easier to play like this than doing the whole chord, right? So do the version that's easier for you. I will interchange during the music because the sound doesn't change if you play E like this or like this, right? So we start the song, play downstrokes, only one per chord. So you play E, 2, 3, 4, F sharp, 2, 3, 4, E flat minor, 2, 3, 4, G sharp minor, 2, 3, 4. Then we start the picking pattern. First picking pattern will be 1 downstroke, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. There is a little delay before the last 3, 1. So we play 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, F sharp, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, E flat minor, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, G sharp minor, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. Then we do this again, same picking pattern. F sharp, E flat minor, G sharp minor. After the second time, we'll change the picking pattern and we'll play more chords, more notes. So we'll do downstroke, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, F sharp, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, E flat minor, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, G sharp minor, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. So oh, right. Then we enter the chorus when we have the strumming pattern. It will be like this. up, F sharp, down, 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 up, down, down, up, E flat minor, down, 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 up, up, G sharp minor, down, 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 up, down, up. Right? The rest of the song will be this strumming pattern, same chords, till enter the last verse when you repeat the only one stroke down each chord, E, F sharp, E flat minor, G sharp minor, then we end the song. Very easy, these four chords, these patterns. I hope Akemi can understand my English and you all also well. So hope this tutorial can help.